What's up guys, Alec here with VEED, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to easily and effortlessly add closed captions to your videos. Now the tool we're going to be using to do this is a tool called VEED, and this tool can basically automatically transcribe the audio from our video into text and help us turn this text into closed captions automatically. So that being said, we're just going to jump over to Google, and the first thing we're going to do is type in VEED, which is VEED, and then we're just going to click on the first link, which is create, edit and share videos online for free. Once we have clicked on the link, we're going to be taken into VEED. If you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to create a new one for free. Once you have an account, we can just click on New Project. Once we're in New Project, we're going to click on the Upload Video button, and this is the video we're going to be uploading that we want to have closed captions for. So I'm just going to click on Upload Video, and then I'm going to select the video that I want to upload and click on Open. Once I have open the video, if we have a look in the top right, we can see the progress of the upload, and once it's finished uploading, we can then start the process of automatically adding closed captions to our video. So now the video is finished uploading. On the left sidebar right here, we're going to be clicking on the subtitles tab, and then here we have a feature called auto subtitles. So we're going to click on this, and then you're going to select the language that you speak in. Now in this video, obviously, if we take a listen, I speak in English. All right. Okay, so this is a test video. Okay, so I want to be adding closed captions to my video in English. So I need to select the language that I'm talking in English, and I just click on start. Now basically what VEED does is it automatically transcribes all the audio from your video into text and turns this text into closed captions. So now if we take a look at the bottom of the screen, in the timeline, we actually have all of the closed captions here, and they're also appearing on screen right now. Now, once we have our closed captions, there's a few things we want to do. First of all, we're just going to play through it and check that they're all correct. All right. Okay, so this is a test video, and let's just say this is a podcast and I'm trying to add an audio wave. Now I'm not going to go through the entire video just to save you guys time, but basically you just want to check that it's all correct. If there's a few mistakes, you can quickly just go ahead and easily add anything you want. For example, I could write test right here just to show you guys. It appears on the screen in real time as well. And then what you can also do is just change the times of a subtitle. For example, if I want this first one to start earlier, I just have to click on this stopwatch where the playhead is at in the timeline, and it will automatically change. And there you go. Now what I can do is head over to options, and I can download these as an SRT file. So none of the styling on the screen will matter right now. If I click on download, they will start downloading to my computer. And basically now I have an SRT file which I can upload at the same time as this video. Let's say if I'm uploading it to Facebook, you can add closed captions on Facebook. You need to upload an SRT file there. If you're uploading to YouTube and you want to add closed captions, you have to do it with an SRT file as well. So this file is basically going to be the file that you're adding to your video on other social media platforms. Now, if you did by chance want to style the subtitles and keep them on your video, there's a bunch of different features you can do here. You can change the font size, the colors. You also have a bunch of presets. Just select this one or this one. Then once you're happy, if you want to download it with it on the video, you can just hit the download button in the top right, and then you can download the actual video with subtitles on screen. But for the closed captions, you do want to go into options and download it as an SRT file. You can always download it as a .vtt or a .txt if you want to further edit it in the future. And you also have the possibility to automatically translate these closed captions. So let's say if I added another subtitle track and I want subtitles, let's just say in Spanish, I select Spanish and then I do translate from original, and then I just click on add. And now if I click on edit, I also have these subtitles in Spanish, these closed captions in Spanish. So again, I just go to options and then download as an SRT. And now I have the Spanish subtitles, the Spanish closed captions for my videos. And that is how you add closed captions to your videos. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button. That being said, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.